Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the Explorers Academy Sanghar. I am Zohaib, and today we begin our journey into digital marketing with practical skills. Let's get started. Students, in digital marketing, your success depends on your niche. Choose one specific niche, solve one clear problem, and focus only on that market. That's how you grow faster. A niche is a focused market of people with one common need or problem that you serve with your product or service. Students, Step 1. Pick one audience. Step 2. Choose one problem they face. Step 3. Check demand and competition. Step 4. Select the niche and commit. Students, Step 1. Pick one audience, like small shop owners in Pakistan. Step 2. Choose one problem, getting customers online. Step 3. Check demand and competition. Search it on Google. Step 4. Select the niche, Pakistani shop owners who want online customers. Another example, students. Step 1. Pick one audience, like Pakistani smartphone users. Step 2. Choose one problem, battery draining too fast. Step 3. Check demand and competition. Search power bank price in Pakistan on Google. Step 4. Select the niche, selling power banks to Pakistani mobile users. Students, if you want to become an expert in digital marketing with practical skills, join the Explorers Academy Sanghar. Learn from Sir Zohaib and Khalid Hussain, and build your future today.